Hello students, welcome in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Students, today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about Argand plane and polar representation of a complex number. Students, we had to study polar representation of a complex number, but polar representation of a complex number is deleted from your syllabus. So we will not study polar representation of a complex number. Only we will discuss about Argand plane. Students, from earlier you already know Cartesian plane, that is called also XY plane, where two axes x axis and y axis are mutually perpendicular, and we can represent ordered pair of real numbers xy as a unique point on xy plane. Students, the complex numbers x plus iy, which corresponds to the ordered pair xy, can be represented geometrically as the unique point p xy in the xy plane. Some complex numbers such as 2 plus 4i, minus 2 plus 3i, 0 plus 1i, 2 plus 0i, minus 5 minus 2i, and 1 minus 2i, which corresponds to the ordered pair 2 4, minus 2 3, 0 1, 2 0, minus 5 minus 2, and 1 minus 2, respectively, have been represented geometrically by the points A, B, C, D, E, and F, respectively, in the above figure. Students, let us know what is actually Argand plane. First of all, we will discuss its definition. Definition of Argand plane: the plane having a complex number assigned to each of its point is called the complex plane or Argand plane. Once again, the plane having a complex number assigned to each of its point is called the complex plane or Argand plane. In the Argand plane, the modulus of the complex number x plus iy equals to under root square of x plus square of y is the distance between the point P xy and the origin O 0 0. The points on the x-axis corresponds to the complex numbers of the form a plus I0. It means that the points on the x-axis corresponds to the real part of complex number. Real part of complex number. The points on the y-axis corresponds to the complex number of the form 0 plus IB. That is purely imaginary number. Means imaginary part of a complex number. The x-axis and y-axis in the Argand plane are called respectively the real axis and the imaginary axis. Means x-axis is called real axis because we represent purely real number on x-axis. Means real part of a complex number. Y-axis is called imaginary axis. Why? Because we represent purely imaginary numbers on y-axis, that is imaginary part of a complex number is represented by y-axis. The representation of a complex number z equals to x plus iy and its conjugate equals to x minus iy. Conjugate of complex number z equals to x plus iy is z equals to z bar. Conjugate of a complex number is represented by z bar equals to x minus iy in the Argand plane. R respectively the points Pxy and Qx minus y. Pxy is for complex number z equals to x plus iy, and Qx minus y is for conjugate of complex number x minus iy. Geometrically, the points x minus y is the mirror image of the point xy on the real axis. Means point of complex number z equals to x plus iy is mirror image of its conjugate z equals to x minus y, and its point is x minus y. I hope students you are understanding. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thanks.